New day, new video, and here we start with amazing news about Celsius. We have talking about Celsius a couple days, or I think couple weeks before, that they are on the way to getting bankrupt. And now it's official. Celsius also has doing a Twitter post that they are in bankrupt and can't pay anything to their customers back. So that is one special news for the cryptocurrency world outside. So let us look what this have dependence also on the whole crypto market. Here we are back on the daily chart of Bitcoin, and here we see what we are talking about yesterday's video. We have talking about that Bitcoin is jumping out of our channel here right now, dropping to the downside, and with this candle of yesterday we are closing inside, and now we are a little bit out of the woods and inside our channel, which is also a good sign, first of all, for the Bitcoin price, that we are not forming a new low maybe here, so that we are making this as a higher low. So we have here a low, we have here a higher low, and we have formed here also a higher low. So the next potential move will be also for Bitcoin that we are testing might be this area here with 23,000 US dollars, get maybe there, bounce back, and building here another higher low before we can see here the rally up to the upsides. So let us look also on the 4-hourly chart, what the 4-hourly chart is telling us. And for this, we see here that we are directly in the channel right now, so it is a good sign. But let us look on the EMA ribbon first of all. And here we see that the EMA ribbon is reacting as a resistance, and we see here directly, I think when we go in the 1-hourly chart, we will see a little bit more here that we are here rejecting there, and now we have flipped the EMA ribbon, and we are on this point where we can decide, or the EMA ribbon is deciding, flipping downwards to getting a resistance, or we stay here above in this 1-hourly candle, which is also right now out. So if the video is online, you will definitely see what is happening. And we are building here the EMA ribbon as a support. So that is also in the next few hours one of the important things for the Bitcoin chart. So here at the 4-hourly chart, we are seeing here right now that we are getting in the EMA ribbon here at this level and getting inside here, and then also the EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly chart will be maybe also flip, as we can see here at this part, that we can also flip it here and make it as a support for the Bitcoin chart. So that is also a good sign, especially on the 1-hourly chart, to get in this trade, because when we're getting here, the next closing of the 1-hourly candle above the EMA ribbon, and the EMA ribbon is flipping, we can also trade this move if we're getting a retest, maybe on also closing a 4-hourly candle. We can trade this move to the upside. So when the price come a little bit down, that would be also possible to get in. And then I would trade this first of all to this level here, because here we had a major resistance level, which is also, when it's now pushing to the upside, does not make sense to get in this trade, because we are seeing here from right now it's only 1% to the upside. Okay, with the 10x leverage, so also 10%, that would be also possible. But for this, I will definitely wait to retest the EMA ribbon to get a little bit down, waiting for the 4-hourly candle to flip the EMA ribbon, and then trade this to the upside. And then this will also maybe up to 2% to the upside, and that would be also a trade that could be used for us. And if you also want to trade this move, you can go direct under the video. There in the video description, there you found a link direct to BITGET. So click this link, start your trading, create an account on BITGET if you didn't have an account, claim your bonus from 4,163 US dollars at a bonus. So definitely check also this out, and also look my full tutorial about how to trade on BITGET and how to deposit and withdraw your trading money also on BITGET. Let us also have a look on the Ethereum chart, because this chart we have not looking at the last video. So let us also jump here into the 4-hourly chart. We turn also here the EMA ribbon on. We see here directly that we're also getting in the EMA ribbon, and in the 1-hourly chart it would be also flipped. Yes, in the 1-hourly chart the EMA ribbon has also flipped. So here for that the same, that we can also wait for this, and then we can also trade this, because here on the Ethereum it looks really good, that we can take a trade here up to the level of 1,200 200 US dollar here on the top, that we can take this trade, because we have here a little big resistance zone, maybe a little higher also for all the guys to want the full experience. You can trade this as a take profit, or for some less risk you can take this as a take profit. It would be also in both directions 10% or 50 or 16% to the upsize. And here on Ethereum we see also the same as Bitcoin. We have formed here the low, a higher low, and here also, yes, it's also a higher low. So that would also possible that we are getting here, and then when we're looking right, we see here that we are forming here maybe a next W pattern, and if the W pattern is playing out, we can look for this, then Ethereum take us to 1,060 US dollars on top. So that would also a trade, if this is playing out, we can also jump here in this trade. First of all, I would definitely trade this to the upsize here to this area, because here we can maybe see a little reaction to the downside or getting sideways before we turning out of it and going in higher levels. Let us also have a look on Bitcoin again, if it's maybe also playing out here. It would be also maybe forming here a W pattern. I make it a little bit clearer for you. Make it here. And then it would, yes, when we're looking for this as the neckline, maybe a little higher. So it would be not the perfect W pattern, but it seems like looking for it. And then the price target, let us also look on the 1-hourly chart at the price target, then gave us the price level from 25,000 US dollars. It was exactly, not directly exact the same price target from our last W pattern. So it would be also maybe possible that this is playing out, but for this we must wait this move also to the neckline, to the upsize. And here on the neckline we have, yes, little big resistance levels. So first of all we must break it there before we can get in the trade of this. And guys, that is also the end of this video. Don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe to the channel, and then we see in the next video tomorrow.